Hello there, early birds. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly special in store for you, a morning routine that will set the stage for a productive and energized day. So, did you know that how you start your morning can impact your entire day? It's true. So, grab your favorite mug of coffee or tea and get ready to start on a journey toward creating a morning routine that will transform your life. But before we dive in, let me share something fascinating with you. Studies have shown that the successful people across different industries follow a constant morning routine. It's like their secret weapon for conquering the day ahead. So, first, let's establish a mindful mindset. Our first step is all about cultivating a calm and focused mindset. Picture this. Imagine waking up to a world that is still and peaceful, where you can tune in to your thoughts and set positive intentions for the day. Incorporating mindfulness practices into your morning routine can work wonders. Consider trying meditation, deep breathing exercises. These practices help you clear your mind and set a positive tone for the day ahead. Remember, there is no single approach to mindfulness. Explore different techniques and find what resonates with you. Experiment, and soon you will discover your own mindful magic. Second, nurturing the body. Now that we have focused on the mind, it's time to shift our attention to the body. After all, a healthy body sets the stage for a healthy mind. Let's dive into some nourishing practices that will leave you feeling energized. So, start your day with hydration. After hours of rest, your body is thirsty. So, quench that thirst with a refreshing glass of water. Trust me, it's like giving your body a gentle wake up call. Next up, let's talk exercise. No, you don't have to run a marathon before breakfast. Even a few minutes of stretching, yoga, or a quick workout can get your blood pumping and set the stage for an active and energized day. And of course, let's not forget the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Fuel your body with a nutrition meal that will keep you energized and focused throughout the morning. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of quality sleep. Ensure you have a sleep routine that allows for sufficient rest, creating a solid foundation for a vibrant morning. Third point, setting intentions and priorities. Alright, now that we have nurtured our mind and body, it's time to focus on setting intentions and priorities. This setup is crucial in maximizing productivity and maintaining focus throughout the day. Begin by setting clear goals and intentions for the day ahead. Visualize your success, jot down your to do list, or simply speak your intentions out loud. Trust me, this simple act can transform your mindset and set you on the path to accomplishment. Ever heard of the phrase eating the frog? Well, it means tackling your most challenging task first thing in the morning. By doing so, you will start your day with a sense of achievement and a burst of motivation. Time management is key to maintaining balance. Schedule breaks, block out focus work periods, and be mindful of your energy levels. This way, you can allocate your time wisely and prevent burnout. And finally, before you wrap up your morning routine, take a moment to review the day ahead. Mentally prepare yourself for any potential challenges and visualize how you will tackle them with ease and grace. So, congratulations, you have completed the three essential steps to create a morning routine that sets up for a productive and energized day. Remember, consistency and perseverance are the key of forming a habit that will transform your life. So, I encourage you to personalize your routine based on your preferences and goals. Feel free to experiment with different practices and find what works best for you. And most importantly, don't forget to enjoy the journey. So, if you found this video helpful, we would love to hear about your own morning routine exercises, your experiences. So share your thoughts in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wellness and habit building content. So as we wrap up, remember to like this video, comment with your thoughts and share it with your friends who are ready to seize the day. And if you haven't already, check out the other videos. Thank you so much for joining us today. Wishing